Hello students, I am Raghavan Kumar Singh, faculty of US Academy and Institute. We will discuss class 6 Social Studies Civics first chapter Understanding Diversity. In this chapter, first we have to understand what is diversity. The diversity refers to the existence of variation of different characteristics in a group of people. These characteristics could be everything that makes us unique, such as our cognitive skill and personality traits, along with the things that shape our identity. For example, race, age, gender, religion, sexual orientation, and cultural background. Diversity also defines that the society context. For example, at work, you might interact with coworkers of different genders, age, group, faith, and so on. Likewise, at school, students may come from those different social economic classes and have different personalities and physical abilities. While the first thing that comes to our mind when we talk about diversity are race and gender, they are more than that. The diversity refers to the kind of peoples, means in India, the diversity in India. India is a country of vast diversity. People speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, and eat various types of food. Diversity is a reality created by individuals and groups from a broad spectrum of demographic and philosophical differences. As we know, most of the factors are there which influence diversity. Number 1, historical. Number 2, geographical. These are the two factors that influence the diversity of a particular region. Life of peoples near the sea is quite different from the peoples in a mountain areas, whereas at the land or the plain land. So, what about the factors related to the different types of peoples which are living at a particular place which is full of desert or full of mountain areas or the coastal ranges? Now come to Ladakh. Ladakh is a land with some physical features and is set in an enormous and spectacular environment. It is surrounded by world's mightiest mountain ranges, the Karakoram in the north and the Great Himalayan in the south. Now, what about the diversity related to the mountain ranges? In the mountain ranges, whereas the Himalayan region and different mountain regions were there, and they were quite different from the Ladakh. What about the coastal region? Means the Kerala. Kerala is located in the southwestern part of India. It is surrounded by sea, on one side and the hills on the other. So it has dense forest also near about the coastal ranges. The coastal ranges were with the Western Ghats, which are related to the particular surrounded by the sea. Then what about the unity in diversity? India is a land of different religion and community. There is a great diversity in our habit and customs, and yet we all live together in India as an Indian. So unity in diversity means most of the culture, most of the religion, and most of the languages were living together on the basis of the people in a country has been the distinctive features of our country. Now, what did you understand by the different features related to the different peoples? Everyone on earth differs from each other, thus just like our fingers, which are not similar as they are. Some are smaller, some are larger, some are healthier, some are broader. Everyone on earth differs from each other with respect to aspects like look, behavior, culture, religion, language, and talent. This means that there is diversity among people in as these aspects. Diversity means the lack of uniformity and the senses of variety. Inequality comes about among peoples when they have different access to resources and opportunities. The caste system, religion, financial and well-being, education, etc. are the various forms of inequality in the society. These caste system, religion, financial, well-being, education are different in different places. India, our country of several diversities, having several diversities, since it is a very big country, peoples in different parts differs in their customs, language, habits, etc. These diversities arises from the fact that diverse regions have different histories and environment. Despite the diversities listed above, these are similarities that unite us. We all are Indians, and during the freedom struggle, the whole country come together to send away the Britishers. Irrespectively their diverse background, the Indian national flag is the most important national symbol, and it reminds us of our unity and diversity. And the diversity which senses of variety that exist in the traits, look, behavior, culture, religion, language, ability, resources, and opportunities related to different peoples is said to be diversity. Now, the definition of inequality. The differences between two or more people that arise because of their abilities, resources, and opportunities, or their caste, etc., are termed as inequalities. Now, what do we understand by the habitat? The geographical feature or the area where a living being has adopted and lives comfortably is called the habitat of that living beings. What did you understand by the resources? Anything that can be of any use in any activity is said to be a resource. Then come to the topic, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Means what happened to the Jallianwala Bagh in 1919. On 13 April 1919, a British general and his troops attacked a large meeting of unarmed people. Several men and women were killed brutally. This incident is called the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, after the name of the meeting place in Amritsar, Punjab. The anecdote is from Poil Sengupta. The light changed. Samir befriended a small ragged newspaper boy while waiting for the traffic light to turn green. The friendship developed slowly over a period of few days. It shows that friendship can develop between two very different persons as well. Coincidentally, the newsboy name was also Samir, but he happened to be a Muslim. The two Samirs came from different religions. Moreover, they have different opportunities. While one went to school, the other couldn't. He went for the selling of newspaper.